In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon gift card balance efficiently and without any hassle. Let's dive right in and make sure you have all the steps you need to have a clear idea of the funds available on your Amazon gift card. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Amazon's website, which you can find at www.amazon.com. Once you're on Amazon's homepage, you'll want to ensure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, click on the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password accordingly. This step is essential because you can't access your gift card balance without being logged into your Amazon account. Now that you're signed in, let's proceed to the section where all the magic happens, the gift cards section. Right below the search bar, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Gift Cards. Simply click on it. This will take you to the dedicated page where you can explore all things related to gift cards, including purchasing them, checking your balance, and even redeeming any that you have. Once you're in the gift cards section, your next action is straightforward but crucial. You want to click on the link or button that says View Your Balance. It's typically easy to spot, and clicking on it will direct you to a new page. As soon as this page opens, you'll immediately notice your Amazon gift card balance displayed prominently, right at the top. This page is designed to be user-friendly and clear, so you should have no trouble seeing the exact amount currently available on your card. This balance reflects any gift card amounts added to your account and is not yet spent on Amazon purchases. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully checked your Amazon gift card balance. Remember, keeping track of your gift card balance can help you better plan your purchases and manage your spending on Amazon. If you find yourself wondering how much you have left on your gift card, you now know exactly how to find out quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips on navigating online platforms efficiently. Have a great day, and happy shopping!